In this video, we are going to learn how we can create this beautiful analog clock. So let's go to our VS Code and create this one. So as usual, let's create our HTML first. So let's create our div with a class of clock, and inside here one div for our hour hand, another div for our minute hand, another day for our second hand, and let's create 4 more divs also for our numbers. So the first one will be number and number dash 3. Let's copy this 3 more times. This will be 6, 9 and 12. Let's give it 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay, our HTML part is done. Now let's go and create our styles. So in the head tag in here, let's type style, and inside the style, let's create a style for our body. Set the display to flex, justify content to center, align item also to center, and give it a height of 100 VH. Now let's set the styles for our clock. Set the position to relative, weight to 200 pixels, and height also to 200 pixels, border radius to 50% to make it round, and border to 2 pixels, solid, and okay, let's remove this, and it should be black. Now let's set styles for our hour hand, minute hand, and second hand. So in here, hour dot hour hand, comma dot minute hand, comma dot second hand, and for all of them, set the position to relate absolute, background color to black as well, and transform origin to bottom center, the end transition to transform and give it a 0.5 seconds ease in out. Now let's set styles for our hour and only hour and in here set the weight to 6 pixels, height to 70 pixels, top and left to 50%, top 50%, left 50%, margin left to minus 3 pixels, margin top to minus 70 pixels, and border radius to 6 pixels, 0, 0. Okay, our hand is ready. Now let's go and create our minute hand. So dot minute hand, weight to 4 pixels, height to 90 pixels, top and left again to 50%, margin left minus 2 pixels, margin top to minus 90 pixels, and border radius to 4 pixels, 0, 0. Okay, our minute hand is also set. Now let's create our second hand style. So I will type dot second hand, and inside here again weight to 2 pixels, height to 100 pixels, top and left to 50%, margin left to minus 1 pixels, margin top to minus 100 pixels, border radius to 2 pixels, 0, 0, and background color to red. Left not 50 pixels, 50%. Now, okay, it's set. Now let's give styles to our numbers. So number, and in here position, all of their positions should be obsolete. So obsolete, and color of them all should be black. Font size should be 12 pixels, and font weight to bold. Okay, all the numbers are set. Now let's give each individual number the individual styles. So in here I will type dot number -3, set to top 95 pixels, and left to 180 pixels. Let's copy this and paste it for number 6. So change the 3 to 6, set the top to 190 pixels, and left to 50%. Okay, it's set. Now let's paste it one more time for our number 9. So 9, and set the top to 95 pixels and left to 5 pixels. So 5 pixels. Okay, our number 9 is also done. Now let's create another style for our number 12. So instead of 3, I will type 12 and set the top to 10 pixels and left to 105 pixels. So 105 pixels. Okay, our styles are done. Now let's go and create our script. So below the body, I will type script, and I will create a function with the name of rotate clock, and then inside here I will create a constant with now is equal to new date to get the date, and cons second to get the seconds is equal to now dot get seconds, and again cons minute is equal to now dot get minute. One more for hour is equal to now dot get hours. Okay, now we got our second, minute, and hours. Now let's create a constant to select our days. So in here, first I will type cons second hand is equal to document dot query selector dot second hand. Let's copy this from here and paste it here. Okay, let's copy it 2 more time, and this will be minute hand. Copy this and paste it here. And the last one will be hour hand, and this one. Now let's set the degrees. So the first const second hand degree is equal to seconds divided by 60 and multiplied by 360. Let's do for minute also. So minute hand degree is equal to minute divided by 60 multiplied by 360 plus seconds divided by 60 and multiplied by 6. One more time for hour hand degree. So first hours $12 divide by 12 multiplied by 360 degrees plus minutes divided by 60 and multiplied by 30. Okay, we got the degrees also. Now let's set the style transform styles for all our hands. So in here let's type second hand dot style dot transform is equal to backtrack, and in here rotate second hand degree and at the end degree. Okay, this one is done. Let's copy it 2 more times, and this one will be minute hand and this one will be hour hand. Minute hand degree, and this one is hour hand degree. Okay, everything is set. Now let's create a set interval and call it each second. So set interval, our function name, copy it from here, paste it here, and each second. So let's save everything. Okay, as you guys can see, our clock is working. So this is how we can create an analog clock using HTML, CSS and JavaScript.